Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be super simple. I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick, easy, healthy, lean salad. A lot of people think that salads do not keep you full, you're going to be hungry within an hour. No, if you stick to my formula of a grain, healthy protein, and whatever vegetables you have in your fridge, trust me, it will hold you over until dinner. So by grain, I mean quinoa, brown rice, buckwheat, barley, any of that, whatever you have. Healthy protein would be, if you are vegetarian, you could do beans, you could do chickpeas, you can do lentils. If you are a meat eater, you could do chicken, steak. If you're a pescatarian, tuna, salmon. For vegetables, any vegetables that you have in your fridge. I have cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, radish. So this is literally something I eat every single day for lunch. I actually just finished with the gym, and I had a protein shake. However, I'm still a little bit hungry, and I don't eat until around 1 o'clock because I fast up until that point. And then my next meal is dinner. So this will hold me until probably 6, 7 o'clock. So if that's something that you're interested in, please keep watching. Okay, so let's jump right into the ingredients. So for grain today, we have quinoa. This is the triple blend. I got mine at Costco. It's really well priced there. Protein today, we have chickpeas. And vegetables are cucumbers, radish, tomato. Also, I'm gonna include a little bit of feta cheese. Oh, and also avocado. Another thing that I usually like to include is red onion, but today we're gonna be out and about, so we're not doing onion today. So in terms of dressing, we're gonna keep it super simple. We're gonna do some olive oil. I'm gonna add in a little bit of Dijon mustard and some lemon juice, salt and pepper. So the next part is super simple, guys. All you're doing is combining all the ingredients and mixing it all up. So for the dressing, we're just gonna mix everything in a bowl. We're gonna start off with some olive oil, a couple tablespoons of that. Then we're gonna add in some Dijon mustard. We're gonna have our salt, our pepper, good squeeze of lime or lemon, whatever you have. And then we are going to combine those ingredients together. Now we're just going to pour our dressing on the salad and mix everything together. This is also a two-person portion salad. Yeah, this is not just for me. No, I do not eat that much. We eat a lot, but we don't eat that much. But not that much.